One of the issues in your manifesto, as I'm reading here, it says empowering women and the girl child. Where is the boy child?
No, well, you see, the thing about it is that you and I know there's always been a lopsided attention when it comes to the sexes. And I think we have to be proactive in terms of empowering those groups which have been culturally vulnerable. And the girl child is, we can't seriously say that the boy child is as vulnerable as the girl child. But creating a functioning economy for everyone is really also empowering the girl child and the boy child. But, the girl child has special needs, and special attention needs to be paid to the girl child, because we're living in a patriarchal society which, if you have a son and a girl, and you're a father, and you're going to make a decision as to who should go to school, the likelihood is that you're going to say the boy child is going to go to the school and the girl is not going to get their education. That's got to change in our country. And that really speaks to the need to pay attention to the need of the girl child.
The former president